let's learn about GitHub Actions. So as I said, we want to pretty much automate all the steps that we've been doing from making a change in our code to all the way deploying it into AWS, right? So we've been doing lots of manual steps, but now we want to automate all of that. So GitHub Actions allows us to automate our workflow from idea to production. So basically it gives us world-class CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery, where we can build, test, and deploy our code. It's really cool. And basically right here, you can see that we can have basically triggers. So on push to a branch or to main or master branch or even pull requests, we can then run some steps. Now these steps, they are run on what they call runners. So runner is just a VM, either Linux, Mac OS or Windows, that executes whatever piece of code or automation that you want. So we can work with any language, which is really awesome. So Node, Python, Java, Ruby, .NET, and a bunch more. And right here, you can see that this is really cool. So you can have the checks in here. So build, test, publish. And basically, if you, for example, raise a pull request, then all of these steps, they must succeed in order for you to merge your changes. And right here, you can see that basically it's really cool because it has live logs. You can store secrets in it. You can have a multi-container testing, which you'll see in a second. And basically the community, it's super powerful and there are tons of actions that we can take advantage from. If you want to check out our code into one of those runners, we don't have to run some custom code, right? Because there are people that wrote these actions for us to use, such as, for example, Amazon ECR login, deploy to Azure, Google Cloud Platform, label a pull request, and you'll see all of this in a second. So basically it's really cool tech. And right here, you can see the prices, but for public repositories, it's free. So they love open source, which is really cool. But then for private repositories, you can see that you have 2000 minutes per second, and then pro, and you can see like the runners, so on and so forth, right? But we are using a public repository, so it's absolutely for free, which is really nice. Now that you have an overview of what GitHub Actions is, let me go ahead and show you our workflow.